Welcome to the Learning Academy. With the situation as it is currently globally, everyone, and I mean almost everyone, is working very hard to find various treatment, the appropriate drugs, vaccines, or therapies to combat this current issue that is affecting the world. Vaccines take a long time. Some of them may take a year, some may take 18 months or more. But the medical teams across the world have been experimenting with various drugs and treatment and therapies to help ease the strain on the healthcare systems globally and to help the world to survive. This is our list of treatments, drugs, and therapies that are being used to combat the virus at this time. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. On our list is Remdesivir. Remdesivir is basically an antiviral medication that was developed by an American pharmaceutical company called Gilead Sciences. This drug shows a lot of promise in the treatment of the current virus that is affecting the world. Remdesivir was designed originally to fight RNA viruses, inclusive of respiratory viruses. Right? There are trials that are ongoing in China, Europe, and the United States, and basically they are awaiting the preliminary results from the trials that would have been done in China, and they should be published or released in sometime in April 2020. Second on our list is hydroxychloroquine, right, or chloroquine. This is a malaria drug. It was used to treat malaria in the past, and it is believed to have antiviral properties, right? So basically what it does is that it blocks the entry of the disease or the virus into the cells. And in studies that have been done, it showed that patients have made improvements after the drug was administered. Another one on our list is Actemra. That was done by Roche. Basically, so this drug has monoclonal antibody properties, and it is approved for treatment of rheumatoid arthritis and also for the treatment of cytokine storm, or basically anything to help the immune system of cancer patients to basically respond better to treatment. Another treatment that is being used is Kevzara by Sanofi, right? It also possesses monoclonal antibodies that is approved for the treatment of inflammatory arthritis. And basically trials are ongoing and persons are using it to enhance the response of the persons who have been affected by the virus so that the immune system can be boosted so they can respond better to the treatment. The drug that is being used to treat patients who are affected by the virus is Jakavi. Now, Jakavi was developed originally by Novartis, and it was developed for the treatment of inflammatory and autoimmune diseases. Now, what they're currently doing with Jakavi is to administer it to patients with severe respiratory symptoms related to their ability to respond to fighting or combating the virus that is in their system. So what they're attempting to do is to boost the immune system's response to treatment. Vaccines, there are many pharmaceutical companies working on vaccines. One of them is Moderna, and theirs is called mRNA 1273. Now they're hoping that this vaccine will be able to boost the immune system, and so that the system can basically develop antibodies to combat the virus. The entity working on a vaccine is Novavax, and theirs is NVX-CoV2373. And it's expected that this vaccine candidate will enhance the response of the immune system to fighting the virus. Shenyang Geno Immune Medical Institute is working on theirs as well. So lentiviral meningine vaccines, that's what they're doing. And they're hoping that this one will act as a viral antigen, and that will help to induce immunity to the virus. Similarly to when they were attempting to fight Ebola or combat the Ebola disease, and they used blood plasma from recovered Ebola patients, they're also using this as a therapy. Basically, it's convalescent plasma therapy for patients who are affected by the virus. So what is happening is that when you recover, your body would have developed its own antibodies. So they are now doing a transfusion from the recovered patients to the patients who are currently sick to help the sick patient's body to develop its own antibodies to help fight the virus. So we want to wish all of these companies the best in their endeavors, because we really need the situation to come to an end, or to at least we find some solutions to help us better manage the situation. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and keep safe.